So, have you ever had a loved one die and found yourself asking, what the fuck am I going to do with my makeup for the funeral? Well, luckily for everybody, my grandma just died and today's her funeral. Let's get started.
For the eyes, go off of what you know about that person. So like if they really liked cats, you could do a cat eye. I went with a smoky eye because Grandma Marianne died in a fire. Pro tip, you might wind up shedding real tears. Or maybe you're like me and you need to fake it because you're so hollow inside that you lost the ability to cry. Either way, your face will get wet. So make sure your liner and mascara are waterproof. I'm talking like the heavy-duty shit, like the tested on baby bunnies, banned in Europe level waterproof. I linked the brand I use in the description. Also, for every 8 purchases made using that link, the company sets one of the bunnies free. Now, since your $1,200 lipstick collection has been worthless since 2020, just wear your fanciest mask. It doesn't have to be black. It just has to convince your cousin Beth you make more money than she does. And of course, don't forget the onion.